Hello everybody, welcome back to 2 apple pies for $1. So, story time. Yesterday I was out walking my dog. We're gonna let him out. And I came upon a mysterious box on my porch. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and see what's inside. Let's take a look. The box, it's fairly heavy. Huh. It seems to be a lockpicking set. Locks and... Now, I know absolutely nothing about this. This is going to be a very interesting journey. I used to play a rogue when I was playing World of Warcraft. I always liked thieves. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. Be back in a few minutes. Okay, so after watching a few tutorials and whatnot, we're gonna attempt this. Okay, first off, I found you need this thing. I'm not very good with tools and whatnot. Never really learned. Okay, I'm gonna take this thingy. I'm gonna stick it in here. Flip hands because curse the world right-handers for being left-handed. Apparently, jiggle, 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 jiggle. Let's see, jiggle, 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 jiggle. This is frustrating. Alright. Okay, this is attempt number 57. No, 2, 17, 54. Alright, we're gonna stick this thingy in here. Wow. Oh my god, I did it. Holy shit. Okay, let's try that again. Mr. Apple Pies is so smiling right now. Okay, let's just... Come on. I don't know what I did before, but... This is like cooking. Actually, it's more like baking. I am not going to be called to Brad Pitt's crew of spies. No Ocean's 13 for me, guys. Alright, come on. We can do this. We did it once. That was sheer dumb luck, right? Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Not you. Not Pickles. My dog responds. His name is Pickles, so he responds to anything that sounds kind of like his name. Sprinkles, sparkles. Alright, let's move on. Let's see if we can do another lock. I don't know. I'm gonna try this guy. Mr. Apple Pies is not going to be a locksmith, ever. Wow! That was easy. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Again, sheer dumb luck. This is a fun little skill. So, Mr. Apple Pies is going to level up his lockpicking skills and hopefully teach this skill and pass it down to future generations. So, with that being said, join me next time on 2 Apple Pies for $1. And remember, I'll see you at the window.